2007 Toyota Highlander. What we got done on it? 4-cylinder. What we got done on it? We put a sleeve here. It was rotted out. And then he goes, I want sound. I said, we got you. There's a second converter there, by the way. So we went ahead and put him a BORLA Pro XS right there. Part number 40364. Again, BORLA Pro XS right there. Then we left the factory resonator on it. He didn't want too much noise. And he's gonna bring it back. We're gonna put an exhaust tip on it. But there's the BORLA Pro XS right there that we just installed. There's the stock muffler that was on it that we cut off. He wanted more noise, so we gave it to him. That's what it looks like after. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. A little bit. Yeah. That's not bad. If you want it louder, we can make that. We can take that resonator off next.
The back?
Yeah, the back one. When you want to put the tip, yeah, we'll take that out if you want it louder. But try it now for a week or a month or whatever, and see how you like it. Toyota Highlander BORLA Pro XS 4-wheel drive. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 93, 94. Go ahead and back it up. Jeez. I'm sneezing like crazy, guys. I like it. Sounds really good. Deep and clean. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Exhaust addicts. I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. Toyota Highlander with BORLA Pro XS muffler, stock resonator. It's quiet at idle, as you guys can see, but when he gets on it, it gets loud. Perfect.